Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create or draw symmetrical objects in Adobe Illustrator. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. So first of all, we need a symmetrical object. What I mean by symmetrical objects, as you can see over here, both the sides of this particular object are symmetrical or identical. So this side is totally identical or a replica to this side. So if we put this half side in front of a mirror, so it will be symmetrical. That's why it is called as symmetrical. So both the sides are identical. So how can we create symmetrical objects in Adobe Illustrator? By using mirror option in Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, we need to create, after importing this particular image or placing this image, we need to create any shape. Otherwise the option won't be active. I will show you. So we are going to use objects, repeat and mirror option, but as you can see, the option is presently inactive because we need to use a vector object first. So I will create any vector object. You can create any vector object. So I'm creating this circle. So after creating this, we can go to object, repeat. Now you can see this option is active. So just click on the option mirror. Now we need to change you can delete this object now, and we need to place this line exactly at the center. So this is exactly at the center, and what we are going to do is we are only going to draw on the one side, so the other side will be drawn automatically by Illustrator using its AI. So I'm going to use the pen tool. You can always use curvature tool, but pen tool is easier to control. So I'm going to use pen tool. I'm only going to draw one side like this. Again, I need to color the outline, choose the outline color. So this is the outline color. Later on, we are going to remove the outline color. So you can choose any color that you want. It doesn't really matter, and just trace it. And if your method of tracing is different, you can choose your method. This is just my method. It seems easy, or it is easy rather. Just make sure that you are overlapping that center line like this. So I have to put this exactly at the center. I will zoom it a little bit. Click like this. So this is now exactly at the center. Now as you can see, I have only drawn the shape on one side, and this is created by Adobe Illustrator automatically using its AI, artificial intelligence, because AI also means Adobe Illustrator, so I mean artificial intelligence. So this is the curvature tool. You can always use add anchor point, and you can change the line into curve, but I'm using curvature tool because it's easier. So click, and just as you can see, I am changing over here, but it is automatically changing on this side like this. Whatever you do on one side, it will be replicated on the other side. That's why it is called as mirror. So I'm not going to be 100% precise because it will take a longer time, but you will get the idea that how to do this. So this is basically the shape that we were looking for. One more benefit of using the curvature tool is that it creates smoother lines as compared to the pen tool or the curvature option in the pen tool and in the direct selection. So this is now done. You can simply choose the this tool, selection tool, and double click. Now we have to do a couple of more things, like we need to first click on the object that we have created. I will separate this. So this is the image. I will put it over here, and this is the object that we have created. So select this object, go to object and expand, press OK. Again we need to right click, ungroup, again right click and ungroup 2 times, and one more time release clipping mask. So this is the clipping mask. Because it is invisible, we are not able to see it, and if you want to see it, simply press Ctrl Y or Command Y. If you are using Mac, Command Y. For Windows it's Ctrl Y for outline view. And now delete this one. Again right click, ungroup, release and delete the mask. Again I am pressing Ctrl Y. Now we have to merge this. So using the shape builder tool, just select these 2 objects. Now using the shape builder tool, I am going to merge these 2 shapes, and now you can apply any color that you like. So I'm going to turn off the outline, and let's say I want this. So this is how we can create symmetrical objects in Adobe Illustrator using the mirror option. But remember, first we need to take any vector object if you want to activate this option, otherwise it won't show. So once you activate the mirror option, you can simply draw on the one side, it will be drawn on the other side. So this is how we can easily create symmetrical objects or draw symmetrical objects in Adobe Illustrator. So you just give it a go and see it for yourself that how it goes. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.